Hello from the Williamsburg Hotel in Brooklyn, New York City. I'm gonna give you a tour around the inside of this incredible space. Walk with me. We're gonna see a suite room. We're gonna see a normal room. We're gonna go upstairs to the water tower. I'll show you the restaurant, the lobby, and some of the special spaces. Follow me, let's go inside. Here's the front of the hotel. You can see it's right on the corner of North 10th and Wythe Avenue. We're gonna walk into the inside. This will hopefully be my goal, the best Williamsburg Hotel tour that you have ever seen in your whole life. Look at this beautiful blue rug and the nice logo. You come in, I'm telling you right now, it smells fantastic. The weather is nice, climate controlled. As it says right here, we're gonna go downstairs to reception and check-in. There are also elevators available if you have luggage. Looking down onto the lobby bar, we can see this beautiful herringbone floors imported from a tobacco place in Virginia, all brick right here. Let's go downstairs and I'll show you the lobby as I walk along this area. Now, when you first arrive at the hotel, this is where you're gonna do your check-in. Right here at the check-in front desk. You can take a seat over there. That's where my backpack is. I'll note this contemporary furniture later on as we explore the different rooms. You'll see it again and again throughout the space. Here is the check-in desk where you'll get your room key and do all of the processing. Back to the lobby. Bank of elevators is over here. These will take you to your rooms with key card access. Let's walk around and take a look at the bar. While we're here, you'll notice that there's seating options at the bar. Beautiful bar setup. I don't want to be distracting to these people, so I'll be a little bit quieter. I hope you can hear me. I want to look at these settings over here. People are working on their laptops. There are power plugs at all of these locations. Tall, beautiful ceilings. I'm guessing 30 feet tall, perhaps. Cool music is playing. Water is available. Oh, I'm such a sucker for places that have easy water. For myself, it's so easy to pour my own water. I don't have to wait for anybody to do that. That's really nice. It's so funny as I do these tours because people look at me a little bit. What's up, you guys? Can I look inside for a second? Okay, thank you. All right, so we're gonna look inside the restaurant real quick. This is the restaurant at the Williamsburg Hotel. Look at how nice it looks. All of these things, I was informed that these are individually hand glass blown by a Brooklyn artist. Now stay tuned because I'm about to go see one of the rooms very soon. Back behind here, I will show you, is the Ballroom, is another special event space of sorts. Stay tuned to the end of the video for that. For now, let's go upstairs and I will show you what one of the rooms looks like. Well, hello, if you're just joining, my name is Nick Gray and I do these free tours of museums. I don't get paid by the hotel to do this. I just love to go to luxury hotels around the world and experience and show these places. So let's go up, we're gonna buzz up to one of these elevators and I'll show you two different room types. One is gonna be a suite and one will be a king or a queen regular room with a balcony. Stay tuned. Let's go inside one of the rooms right now, and we're gonna look inside and take a peek. I'll show you what one of the rooms looks like. Check this one out. So let's go inside room 713 here at the Williamsburg Hotel. Now, the first thing you notice when you walk in is this bathtub. I'm gonna talk about the bathtub, but let's look at the room first and foremost. The first thing I noticed are the incredible views out to Manhattan, actually. Look out here. Okay, this is Brooklyn, this is Williamsburg, as you know. But the Manhattan views, as we look out to see that skyline, I will open the balcony in a minute. I want to note the furniture, because this contemporary furniture that goes throughout the hotel, I really do like. You can see the minibar that's stocked up. Let me just show you what your choices and options are. I see some Sleep Well, I see some hangover kits, some M&Ms, Fiji water. There's a bottle of wine, 2 bottles of wine, 3 bottles of wine. Plenty of liquor options as well. Now, next to the bed, I mentioned this in many of my hotel tours, I look to see, are there USB ports so I can easily charge my phone? And this is an easy win in modern hotels, but I do see the ports and the plugs. I'll zoom in over here. We have an HDMI port so you can do your own video input. 2 USB ports for charging your phone. There's also a Bluetooth button, which I assume links up to the speakers. There's also power cables, which you can see over here. The bedside stand is an easy, convenient storage unit. I see 2 remote controls. The lamp is great. We've got all that we need here. 4 pillows plus 1 decorative pillow. The other area, this is a Bluetooth speaker, but it's also, did you know this? It's also a white noise machine. How cool is that? It has been a long time since I've seen a white noise machine inside, and a sleep package as well for your visitors. Well, I'll turn that off. Here is this. Let's take a look now at the bathroom. I mentioned the bathroom because this bathtub is incredible. Look at this bathtub. That is so big that I think I could swim laps inside of there. The bathtub also has an overhead shower, which you will see here. Beautiful blue color, see-through, but also a bit of a privacy area. See-through over to there. Inside of the sink, we can see the Bigelow options. There's me, by the way. Hey, what's up? If you're watching this video, will you give me a like or a subscribe, or just say hello in the comments? Let me know when you're planning your trip here to New York City, and I'll say hello back. I read every single comment, and likes really help me. So inside the toilet, this is self-explanatory. There is one toilet. There's toilet paper. The view from the bathroom gives us a little bit of a nicer look at the bathtub. I'm gonna see if I can step out onto the balcony, but before I do that, let's peek inside of the closet. There are hangers. There are what appear to be 2 extra blankets on top. I see an extra roll of toilet paper. Here is our safe that will keep your valuables secure. And at the bottom of the closet is an extra refrigerator, which is part of the minibar. Inside here, I see Sauvignon Blanc. I see cold brew coffee. There are seltzers in there, bottled water, and sodas. I see a Coke and a Diet Coke. Well, let's try to look out on the balcony. This will be a first for me, going out onto the balcony. So fingers crossed. I think it's pretty self-explanatory how to open this. I'm just going to pull and yank as I come out. As I film this, it is late January of 2023. A brisk but beautiful day here in New York City with that incredible skyline view of Manhattan. Is there more that you could ask for a view of a hotel? This is so nice. I'm here now out on the balcony at the Williamsburg Hotel of this room. I'm showing you this is one of the normal rooms, an average room with an incredible view. Here at the Williamsburg Hotel in New York City, right in Brooklyn, with this skyline view behind me. I'll show you up and above. Can you see the room that's right here behind me? We'll go back inside now, and I'll take you to another room tour. Stay tuned. We're gonna walk down now to one of the suite rooms. I have the magic key for 729. Check this out. This is room 729, one of the elusive suite rooms at the Williamsburg Hotel. Look how spacious. The views are incredible. You're not gonna believe this. Look out onto the skyline of New York City. Perhaps some of the very best views. We're 1 or 2 hours away from sunset, so that is gonna be quite a view here. As I look around, this is the seating area. We've got this beautiful contemporary furniture which rides throughout the hotel, and in this room it is no exception. Floor to ceiling windows. These window shades are down, but they do go all the way up. Every room has the access buttons and switches to pull those up. Another balcony, just like in the normal basic rooms that I was just in, another balcony here that you can see, which would give you this access to look, what is this, more east that way. But who would want to look east when you've got a view like that? Oh my God, just one more look at that view with the Empire State Building. You can see One Vanderbilt as well. Let's go back to the room, because that's why you're here. For this room tour, this is the study area. This is where you will do some work. You also have a coffee machine with your coffee pods fully stocked, a chair to sit down at your laptop, blazing fast Wi-Fi, the sofa, the pineapple table, a really nice plant, another seated chair here. We'll peek inside of the closet to see what is inside. Let me open this up. The mini bar, full little refrigerator like we saw at the other one. I see the hangers. Here's the safe, a larger safe. Much more closet storage space in this room, as you would imagine for a suite. Another seated area on this stool. The room is just so spacious. I mean, this is a full floor width area, and it's a room that's at least twice as big with a mini bar that is equally twice as big. Here are the options in the suite minibar. I won't spend too much time on it. Larger television with many options over here. King size bed. The next to bed plug options are the same, but I'm noting what appears to be, I think that's a USB-C port right there. So I love the USB-C port. We have the same options at this. Some Fiji waters, the white noise machine that we saw in the other room. I'll turn this light on to give you a better idea. And then the bathroom. Now we've closed this shade right now for privacy, but this bathtub, if you could do laps in the other one, I'm gonna say you could have a party in this bathtub because how big is this? This is enormous for a bathtub. Absolutely incredible. And now the shower. Are you kidding me? Is this a joke? The double-headed showers. Look at this. Floor to ceiling windows. Privacy curtain does come down, obviously, but I'm gonna go ahead and guess that these windows are privacy tinted as well. Don't hold me to that. Don't get me in trouble. Aesop, no, what is this? This is Bigelow Company shower gels. You can see some of the shower gels here. We've got multiple conditioners and shampoos and all the normal things that you would expect at a hotel. His and hers sinks with plenty of towel options. Dual areas over here. What's up if you're watching this video? My name is Nick. I make these hotel tour videos just for free, for fun, for my friends. Would you give me a like down below if you're watching this video, planning your trip, whatever? Just please give me a like. I love doing these. I don't get paid for the hotel or anything. I do get to enjoy this view on a day like today though. Absolutely immaculate views of the New York City waterfront, of the New York City skyline from Williamsburg, Brooklyn. This is an enormous suite room here at the Williamsburg Hotel. Wow. Oh, let me show you the water tower before we lose the sunlight. So this is the water tower, and guests have access to this incredible space after 7 p.m. The views out to the skyline are incredible. They do wedding proposals here, marriage proposals. Everything happens here with photographers. Again with the furniture, I love the interior design of this whole space. You can't see on the video, but the ceilings are enormous. I don't even know how tall. I'm guessing 35 feet. You can walk outside on this balcony. At nighttime, the skyline views unrivaled. Look at that. Wow, can you just get an idea of how that would look? Incredible from here. This is the water tower area, accessible to all hotel guests after 7 o'clock. You can come up here. Cool murals. The developer of this hotel is actually a woman, so there's many female empowerment slogans and messages that are right up there. Come and hang out here up at the water tower at the Williamsburg Hotel, where you can enjoy breathtaking views. It's open to visitors after 7 p.m. We're going to go back downstairs. We'll go and explore the lobby and look at some more things down in that space. Follow me there. Now I'm going to take you into the mirror bar. Check this out as we walk back into the mirror bar. You can see the logo up here. So the mirror bar is a multifunction space that's off of the main lobby here in the hotel. Maybe you're watching this video because you're planning a special event. Look at this full bar that they have. I was told that on the weekends it becomes a nightclub. It can also be rented out for corporate events. So that's what it was set up for today, for an actual business meeting. This room is very large, and as you can tell, there's tall ceilings, beautiful, very large glass windows. You can see me over here waving to put the height of the ceilings and the mirrors in perspective. A TV monitor where you can play your presentations, but this all gets filled up, okay? So it's a different look on the weekends because this gets filled up with all these beautiful chairs. Full bar is going. I understand it's like a speakeasy vibe or something. This is Mirror Bar at the Williamsburg Hotel. I'll just peek over here to show you what the bathrooms look like. I'll give you one last look back at this space. This is a full view of Mirror Bar at Williamsburg Hotel. Again, multifunction space. Into the bathrooms, which you can see over here. We'll just peek in to see the sink. Here's the sink. Fairly self-explanatory. The utilities. And we would pop back out. This goes up to the lobby there. Oh, that's an exit, by the way, that goes right out to, gosh, what is that? That might be north. I'm not going to say it in case it's wrong. And then you can see out back here to the lobby. Well, if we continue walking around, let's just peek up at their logo design right there. All of these wallpapers were hand painted by an artist of some degree of famousness. This is the restaurant. We're gonna come back there, or maybe I already showed it to you, depending on how I cut up this video. And what they're preparing for me to show is the ballroom. The ballroom is immediately behind me, right in here. We're getting the lights set up for that. Let me give you a pause. Let's peek in now, and let's just go ahead and see what's inside. Hello, thanks for turning these lights on.
No problem, man.
All right, this is the ballroom here at the Williamsburg Hotel. Look at this enormous space. Holy smokes, I bet you could fit like 1,000 people in here. There's a beautiful seating area. I'll zoom in so you can see down below. More furniture can be added for special events all over. There's the continuation of those herringbone floors imported from some sort of a tobacco factory, they told me. Beautiful space. Should I run down there? I'll run down real quick and just show you what this looks like. Oh my gosh. This space around here, I feel almost like I'm on, I don't know where I feel like I'm in a cruise ship or something. If you're planning a special event, will you tell me in the comments, what are you planning for? Or just give me a thumbs up, a like, or a comment. Beautiful chandeliers in here. All these lights can be adjusted. Multiple back areas there. We're gonna go back up these stairs inside and continue on. Well, I'm walking up to finish my tour. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, oh my goodness, we're at the Williamsburg Hotel in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, with perhaps one of the best views of any skyline settings that I've ever seen. How are you? Thank you for watching very much. If you enjoyed this video, will you give me a like down below? My name is Nick, I do these videos. Check out some more of my hotel tour videos, and I hope you enjoy your stay. Welcome to New York City.